Hi, my name is Chris Williamson, and I'm a sales technician at United States Systems. Today, I'd like to talk to you about our automatic pallet dispenser. United States Systems provides machines that transfer dry bulk material at high rates. We have engineered and manufactured reliable pneumatic conveying, dust control, and bulk bag filling equipment since 1969. Pneumatic conveying is a way of moving dry bulk material suspended in air by sucking it out of a railcar, truck, or storage tank and blowing it into a silo or process tank. U.S. Systems also manufactures reliable bulk bag filling machines that are often paired with our automatic pallet dispenser for a high rate of production. Our machines are built tough for harsh manufacturing environments and years, if not decades, of service. We serve the chemical, plastics, food, and pharmaceutical industries with thousands of installations all over the world. We know capacity and high rates are important to our customers. And one of the solutions that we use is our automatic pallet dispenser. Just load them up and go. It has a small footprint. Unlike others out there, we've seen some really huge ones, unnecessarily large. Ours ships pre-wired, pre-piped, shop tested, ready to go. We use an elegant solution that requires minimal maintenance, and we help you achieve those high rates you need. What's great is that an operator can easily load 12 to 15 pallets with a fork truck and set it to auto for completely automatic operation. Once our pallet dispenser receives a call to dispense a pallet, it just sends it right along. And you can load pallets from 3 sides and dispense from the 4th. This is great because you get to move more material in less time with less manpower. So it saves on time, labor, maintenance costs, along with achieving much higher rates and a safer environment for your employees, while also avoiding operator fatigue by moving pallets on and off of a conveyor all day. So it really is a reliable turnkey solution to get you moving your dry bulk material at a higher rate than ever. It's made to last. We fabricate these with welded carbon steel, and they're not going anywhere. I'll show you some cool things that we do with the air valves. If you look in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see our air manifold. It just uses simple logic gates for operation, which is it's simple, it's elegant, and above all, it's reliable. If you look in the lower right-hand corner, our flipper arms are actuated by air, and in the far bottom left-hand corner, you can see the airbag that lifts the scissor lifts. That is also operated by air. Once again, very elegant, very reliable. And in the middle, I get to show you the detail of our magazine guides and how you can change the size and the type of pallet that you use. We will manufacture it according to your custom design specifications. Whatever you need for your plant, you're going to get it your way. An accessory to our pallet dispenser is our pallet conveyor. This is a fully powered, fully automated, made with industrial sensors. We also have a chain transfer unit to help you convey your pallets at a 90-degree angle. Thank you for letting me talk about our pallet dispenser. If you have any questions or you need any help, we offer planning, designing, procuring, machining, assembly, delivery, and startup services. We are here to help, so please give us a call. Thank you.